Language was the first casualty of conquest. The Caribbean's indigenous peoples, the Taino, Kalinago, and Arawak, spoke tongues rooted in ancestral memory. These languages carried spiritual knowledge, ecological insight, and cultural rhythm. But colonialism, in its quest to erase the native, weaponized language itself. Spanish, French, English, and Dutch were not merely spoken. They were enforced. Indigenous words were forbidden in schools, missions, and government. African languages, Yoruba, Igbo, Wolof, Fon, Congo, were crushed beneath the boot of European grammar. To speak your mother tongue was to invite punishment. To speak the master's tongue became the only path to survival. But even in silence, tongues remembered. Out of this forced fusion came Creoles, hybrid languages born from oppression but filled with defiance. Jamaican Patwa, Haitian Creole, Antillean Creole. These languages became the voice of the enslaved. Bent but not broken, ridiculed but resilient. They turned linguistic violence into cultural renaissance.
Tune into the Impact of Colonialism on Caribbean Nations on the History of the Caribbean's podcast to hear more. Click the link in my profile and start listening now.